the next Vice President of the United States of America, Senator Kamala Harris. Let's give a Florida welcome.
Oh, look at what my eyes behold. Who's voted already? All right. Economic justice is on the ballot in 2020. Climate justice is on the ballot in 2020. Healthcare justice is on the ballot in 2020. Reproductive justice is on the ballot in 2020. Criminal justice reform is on the ballot in 2020. Climate reform is on the ballot in 2020. Everything is on the ballot in 2020. Joe Biden is on the ballot in 2020. Donald Trump has this weird obsession with trying to get rid of whatever Barack Obama and Joe Biden created. Have you noticed that? It's this weird obsession, right? Local, pre-existing conditions, like high blood pressure. And Donald Trump is in court trying to sue to get rid of it. We're going to expand coverage under the Affordable Care Act to include mental health care because folks have been traumatized, period. And we will march, and we will organize, and we will vote, and we will fight. We know our power. And so let's get out there and organize folks and make sure everybody votes, and we will win.
They're really showing themselves to do really well. Come on, man.